Here is the truth nobody wants to say loud. AI is not coming for every job. Yes, you heard that right. But it will wipe out everyone who refuses to evolve. The good news, there are certain jobs AI simply cannot replace. Yes. And these roles are skyrocketing in values right now. My name is Dr. Abimbola Adegbuyi. I'm a lecturer in United Kingdom. I was employed all the way from Nigeria to United Kingdom. So let's dive into it. Here are top 10 jobs AI can steal and how you can cash in. The first one, leaders and strategists. AI can analyze data, but it can't lead humans, read emotions, or build trust. Leaders who navigate change, inspire teams, and drive performance are becoming more valuable. For example, a manager who guides a team through a company structure. AI can't replace that level of human judgment, or can it? Let me know in the comment section. I want to know. The second one, creative storyteller. AI can generate content actually, but it can't originate human contexts, lived experiences, or cultural nuances. Roles here include writers, creative directors, filmmakers, brand storytellers. For example, a filmmaker creating a story based on personal childhood trauma. AI cannot replicate lived emotion, or can it? Let me know in the comment section. The third one, relationship builders. Any job that depends on trust, empathy, and human connections stays human. For example, coaches, therapists, consultants, counselors, mentors. People don't want emotional support from robots, or do they? Let me know in the comment section. Number 4, skilled trade. AI can't climb ladders, right? Fix pipes or solve unpredictable on-site problems. For example, electricians, plumbers, welders, technicians. These roles require judgment, physical skill, and adaptability. Number 5, educators and trainers. AI can provide information, yes, but it can't shape minds, break down concepts for individuals, or motivate students. Or can it? Let me know in the comment section. For example, a lecturer reading body language, that's my field, and adjusting teaching style on the spot. AI can't replace that, or can it? Let me know in the comment section. Healthcare providers, that's number 6. AI assists with diagnostics, but AI cannot replace compassionate care. Examples are nurses, doctors, physical therapists, care workers. The human touch is irreplaceable, literally. AI cannot replace all this, or can it? Let me know in the comment section. Number 7, human-centered designers. AI can design, yes, but it doesn't understand human behavior at a gut level. For examples, UX designers, product designers, experienced architects, they create solutions based on human intuition, not just data. Number 8, ethical and policy experts. AI needs oversight. It cannot judge ethics, morality, or social impact. For example, AI policy advisor, compliance experts, legal specialists. These roles protect society and shape the future. Number 9, entrepreneurs and visionaries. AI is a tool. Entrepreneurs turn tools into innovation, teams, and industry. For example, someone spotting a gap in the market and building a business around it. AI can't replace vision, or can it? Let me know in the comment section. Number 10, community builders. People crave belonging, identity, and shared human experience. AI can't build culture, but humans do. Or if you have a contrary view, let me know in the comment section. For example, pastors, community leaders, event organizers, online community managers, these roles rely on energy and presence AI can't replace. So, what does this mean for you? In the AI era, the highest paid people have one thing in common. They do what AI cannot do. Like that is, think, feel, create, connect, and lead. But here is the twist. You don't have to choose between AI and your career. The people who thrive aren't avoiding AI. They are using it to amplify their human strength. If you take nothing else from this video, remember this: AI doesn't replace human. It only replaces task. But humans who master emotional intelligence, creativity, leadership, and connection, they will always dominate the markets. If you're ready to future-proof your success, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell icon. And I will see you in my next video.